Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Telugu Tota. In this video, we will learn days of the week with spellings. Do you know how many days in a week? There are 7 days in a week. They are Sunday, Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. If you like this video, please share to others. If you want to get my next video notification, please click on bell icon. Please do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.